realize that you're calling. You sound sad and alone, and you're stalling. And for once, I don't care about what you want, as long as we keep talking. I mean, you gotta admit, the history's kind of unmatched. Asian Calvinism, we made it out of that. Whether we're free will or predestined, clearly I've not learned my lesson even now. Hope he doesn't strike me down. The Goo dolls are dead to me, the way you should be too. But you bring them up, along with how much I fucking miss you. Baby, I'm just not better than this, I haven't tried. Baby, life's less romantic when I don't wanna die. You think I'd be a fast learner? I guess I won't never mind for staying up on the back burner. It's pathetic, but at least you are too. I don't know what to do. I don't like anyone except sometimes you. And now you're sounding like a hurt puppy. You look ugly when you cry, but I'm the one you think to call. How do you feel lucky in a wall? At the same time, after everything you put me through, I somehow still believe in you. But I know it'll be for sure and fade away again, and I wish that I cared. Hey, are you still there? Good. Baby, I'm just not better than this, I haven't tried. 'Cause baby, you'll finally choose me after you've had more time. I thought I was a fast learner, but guess I won't ever mind. Guess I won't ever mind. Baby, I played my mother bleeding into my stride. Maybe it was my father and his wandering eyes. It's their fault, I'll always be in your corner. 'Cause I don't feel alive till I'm burning on the back burner. And I know that I'm sad, that I settled for the back burner. 'Cause I won't ever mind crisping up on your back burner. As long as you still think of me. He's a life you'll die for. He's a life you'll die for. That kind that colors the sky. Her intangible seeps away faster than dandelion and fluff in the sunlight. And he's got swirls of passion in his eyes, uncovering the dreams he dreams at night. As much and hard as he tries to hide, I can see right through his voice to muffle. He says my name like I fade away somehow. It feels so loud. What I would give for it to get my feet back on the ground of the clouds. I'll let that power pull the opposites. I read him like a book and he's a clueless little kid. what you know is real. But why can't we for once say what we want, say what we feel? Why can't you for once disregard the world and learn to what you know is real? Take a chance with me, take a chance with me.
You Ashley just walk on the wall, man. I'm so sad. Girl, you're so pretty, but you
Small talk, no conversation. That look makes me impatient. I can't tell what you're thinking. Please tell me what you're thinking. Last night we were more than fine. Just tell me if you change your mind. If you change your mind. Cause I'm all in. I'm calling, no answer. Would you text me when you feel like when it feels right to you? But I'm all in, I'm falling faster. But if you're looking at me with a heart of doubt, don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house all caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down, down, down. Don't mess with my head. Don't tell me you're falling. Your feet still on the ledge. I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't run me round and round. Don't kiss me, no, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it. If you don't mean it, oh yeah. You know you got me in the palm of your hand, but I love those hands. And oh yeah, but you only let me hold you when you can. Yeah, I don't understand, cause I'm calling, no answer. But you text me when you feel like when it feels right to you.
pake mo.
But I'm falling faster. But if you
Pansin.
Martina, huwag mo na anuhin.
Binasa iba ka.
Huwag mo nang anuhin yung kuya mo ha.
Be, oo. Oo, be.
Huwag mo akong binibe. Ate tawag mo sa akin.
Hindi ate.
Damang. Last game na natin to tapos tulog na.
Hindi.
Marco, di ba sabi ko 10 ka matulog? Di ko na i-download yung game di ko da-download yung game.
Wait, papalitan ko sword ko dito. Ayan na. Ate, nandito ba sila?
No.
Oh! Ate, he's killing me, God. Can you judge him? Bro!
Diyan.
Ate! What? Ate, you kill him. Kill him. Wait, I'm gonna judge. Picture not on. Babe, ba't mo pinatay? Imbis ako magpapatay, babe. Mercy. Babe, hindi ko maayos yung sword. Oh! Ayan, deserve din natin kita. Akala mo. Elfa ba? Hello, Glinda. Hello, Glinda. Hi, Glinda. Hi, Elfa. Hi. Ay, hindi kita tatay. Hoy! Ate! Ate! Oh, pinatay. Deserve. Yan ang kapatay mo sa akin. Hello. Akala mo, yan nakapupunta yun. Deserve. Ang dami mo nakapatay. Hindi ko tataas. Ayun, doon, meron.
Pinasok up. Look oh.
Yeah. Woo!
Ooh. Yes.
Uy!
Oh! Patay ko yun. Ano ako? Ito ko din.
Ba, hindi ako yun.
Yeah, we're playing Roblox.
Ate!
Tina, what time are you gonna sleep?
6?
Anong 6? Matulog ka, Fina, ng 2.
3. 3? Pwede?
No. Matutulog ka ng 2. Ay, 2:30 ah.
2:30. Hello, ate. Bakit me? Yes.
Shut up.
Magpapatay niyan. Babe, ba't mo Tuwan-tuwa yan. Deserve.
Ano na, Epal?
Sino?
Ito, patayin mo nga, Pina.
Wait, patay mo. Saan ka?
Patayin mo, Pina, patayin mo. Ayun o, tinatakbo.
Ay, ito pala ito. Ba't mo sinasaktan sister ko? Baka sampalin ko sa pagkaw mo, ha?
Ouch! Ano?
Bakit ate?
Sino?
Sino nagsasaktan sa'yo? Sinong sumasaktan? Ayun! Ate, halika dito, halika dito. I'm not gonna kill you. Dito na. Akala mo papatayin mo yan ate ko. Hindi ako yun. Sinaktan kita ng pangit ko. Ate ko.
Eh, oh my God. Pina.
Oh, you just fell out? Oh! Tulog ako. Hello? Hello, guys.
Pina.
Stop, can you please? Please? I'm not gonna hurt you.
Dahil dito na naman. I hear you now.
Hello.
Good. How are you?
How are you?
Aliw, how are you now? Uy,
Oh! Don't you dare kill my... Ha? Takot ka? Ha? Takot? Takot yan? Takot? Ang ganun. Ate, ito! God! Ate!
ayun na ilok. O, diba?
Ba't mo hindi sinaktan, oy? Be! Papatayin mo pa ako, be? Ate, ito yan.
Oh my God. Bless you. Bless you. Yuck, Pina ba? Kadiri ko, Pina.
Be, pinapatay ko yung mga ito.
Break the house.
Yes! Yes, just break it. Bro! Bro! Dinigin mo ba ko? Oh. Oh. Ate, where are you? Where are you ba? God, useless.
Pina, I break the house na.
Dito sa...
Oh!
Akala ko yung... Oh! Huwag mo ako i-hurt, be. Ate Hailey!
Pina, yan eh. Pina.
Don't hurt my ate.
He hurt me. Kuya Ben.
Kuya Ben, don't hurt my ate. How dare you? Hmm?
He's laughing, oo. Namatay tuloy.
Deserve. 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 Inantay mo siya?
No. My another friend. Miss ka.
Hello, Miska. Don't you dare. Oh my God. He has another friend. He killed me. Bro. What the heck? Sino pumatay sa akin? Bakit ate? Namatay best friend mo? Wait. Oh! Ba't mo ako pinapatay, be? Wala naman akong ginagawa. Be, wala akong ginagawa talaga sa'yo. Oo. Oo. Oo talaga.
Where are you?
Nandito. I'm lost because of him. Hahaha ka dyan, be.
Oh my God.
Don't
Rina,
you
he's
dare.
laughing. I heard him.
Yeah, I know, but he's
Pangit.
yeah.
Have you seen him ba?
I don't.
Why are you calling him pangit? You didn't see his face naman pala.
I want to see him.
You wanna see him?
Yeah.
Okay. You tell him to open some.
Open your camera.
Ay,
Open your camera, babe. He's not opening his camera, look.
you tell him.
Can you please open your camera or else I'm gonna kill you?
Ay, Rina.
I start. Bro, you open your camera.
Rina, let him. He doesn't want to let him.
He's so stupid. Ay! Ate, punta dito, oh. Dito ka sa ulo ko. Ate, pumunta ka sa ulo ko. Ate, go to my head. Ate, go to my head. Ate, I said go to my
Rina,
head.
look. He's gonna show you.
Tagal. Yan, pinatay ako. Pangit kasi nila. Palagi akong pinapatay.
Nasabot din ako.
Ako din.
He's gonna protect.
Big guy? Sino? 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 Asan kaya? Asan kaya? Don't scare his ate! Oh no, I'm being slided. Ate! Ate, he killed me.
Dito ka nga kay big guy.
Bakit he killed me? A big guy? I can see him. Big guy. Big guy.
Big guy.
Big guy. I can see the big guy here. 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 Here is the big guy.
Yes, big guy.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh no. Are you okay to a few? Oh no. It didn't work. Oh my God. What the? He just...
I'm dying also eh.
Where? Bro, I can see a yellow. Bro, I know you're not dying.
Oh my god.
Are you okay, guys? Wait, I'm gonna come for you. There, I go out. I will save you.
Patay.
Oh! Nadaganan na naman ako. Don't you dare kill my ate. This big fat boy.
Uy, he's not fat.
So wrong. Yeah, I know.
Pero, do you know who's stronger?
Yeah?
The purple color blue one.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's your friend?
Bucket.
Yes, ata.
No. Bucket, you like? Community.
Ba, ikaw din. Pinatiin mo.
Hurting the big guy.
Ate, he's killing me, Una.
Don't hurt him.
He killed me, Una, be. Okay, ate, sorry.
Namatay.
Ano kung makapunta sa ano niya?
Oh my god.
Sa ulo niya? Hindi siya nag-stop eh. A queen! A queen! Ah! Ito! Bro! I've been killed! The game!
Ay, agoy. Namatay.
Dead sombrero.
Pina, let's help the big guy.
Why? He's dying? Oh, they've been killed!
Good. Oh my god.
Wait, parang pumapatay yung ilaw. Patayin na yung ilaw, kuya. Okay. Okay. May nagsasakit ako dito, oh. Hindi naman sasaktan. Baliw ata itong lalaking to. Ito, oh, sinasaktan ako. Wala naman akong ginagawa. Oh no, ate, oh my god, I'm so sorry. It's me. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, ate. What? You've been killed. Ate Hailey, where are you? Ate, nandito yung best friend mo, oh. Nandito siya, nakita ko. Ate, nandito siya, oh, yung best friend mo. Arr! Hindi ka agad kita, arr! Huwag kang gumalaw, ah.
You're so nakakainis.
Ate, he's killing your best friend! Wait lang ha, may titingnan ako sa bed.
Okay. Are you gonna leave?
No? Kalimutan ko, wala akong gamit. Nagtitext ako sa mga ibang tao.
Joke. Oh my god. Why do we always leave chargers?
Woke up, just woke home the woman, Miss Eden. I don't care. Don't actually just walk home the woman, just Eden. Just Eden. Yo, Haley, just walk on the wall, man. Just easy.
Really? No, really. What?
Yo, Haley.
No.
Yo, Haley.
Ikaw kay mama to.
Yo, Haley. Ate Haley. Ate Haley. I love you. What do you just say?
I don't love you.
Why do you don't love me? Sinabi ko na sa'yo love na kita.
Eh, di kita love you.
Bakit?
Kasi, I don't love you.
Ate, let's play another game. Join me. Let's play, Peta Peta. Ate, join ka sa akin, Peta Peta. Ate,
I've
join.
been hearing that word for like 3 times now.
Girl, you don't care. Ate, 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 ate. I want to ask you something. Ate. Let's play Peta Peta. Ate, oh, may L... Ate, tingnan mo, oh. Ate, look, may
Let's
L-O-B-E.
play later.
Girl, it looks like L-O-B-E here. Hello. Girl, don't! Oh.
Ouch!
Join kayo sa akin na Peta Peta.
Are you tell Kuya Ben?
Kuya Ben, let's play Peta Peta. Okay daw. Yay! Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Ben. Thank you, Kuya Ben.
Tignan natin ito. Bless you. Di ka na.
Yay!
Yo, we let's sleep now. What time is it? 2:30. Diyos ko po. Ikaw, Marco, you sleep. Yeah, you sleep na. Ikaw, Pina, natulog ka na din.
Wait, hindi kayo nakaka-join.
Hmm?
Hindi pa kayo nakaka-join, diba?
One game lang ah.
Okay.
If everyone dies, and then we're gonna...
Sleep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stretching my balls for no reason.
Ew! It's not funny.
Funny.
Kadiri, ba't mo pinapahid sa akin?
Marco, dun ka. Marco.
Nak. So, mew. Oh, why?
Where are you?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Are you here? Or somewhere? You join us. You add me. Tina. You add me. And your sister.
Wait for Kuya Ben.
Okay. Bakit? Nalubat siya?
No, I don't know.
Nalubat ka ba, Kuya Ben?
Check natin.
Nalubat ka ba, Kuya Ben? Zam. Guli. Oh, titignan.
Wow!
Ang bangit.
Ang dami.
Pangit.
Bungol.
Ano bungol? Pangit mo tong babaeng to. Piggy.
Yun na yung call Kuya Ben.
Kuya Ben, are you lobat?
Hindi. You say,
What? Kuya Ben.
no. Are you big? Can you join na?
Kuya Ben, are you busy? Ay,
Can you
hindi.
join?
Can you join?
Wala, he's not answering you. Wala, ini-ignore ka.
Girl, don't ignore me or else.
Ini-ignore. Aww. Hindi ka lagi Kuya Ben.
Ay, wow. Pagkasuntokin ko yan.
Susuntukin mo si Kuya Ben?
Ba't siya ganun? Nakakasar.
Hindi naka-assist si Kuya Ben. Baka di ka lang na rin.
Be, naka-on ka ata.
Naka-on na. Baka di ka lang na rin. Or na-get. Hello?
Hello. Ay, okay. Ba't ganun may echo? May echo siya ate.
You know what did you say daw?
I don't know.
You say, can you join?
Can you join?
Join where?
Here, in Peta Peta. What is wrong with you, bro?
Uy. Don't say that to Kuya.
Kuya ba yan?
Oo. He's older than you eh. He's 14. Ay, 14. He's gonna be 14.
What's 14?
14 years old. And you're 6.
Oh, shit. Ah, yes, I'm 6 pala. After that. Uy, parang may nagchichimis nun dito. Chismosa ito. Ba't ganito yung taming book? Ano nangyari dito?
Sino ka na? Sit down.
Wah. Where I'm gonna sit down. Here. Okay. Be, hindi ako makasit down, oy. Be, ate, hindi ako makasit down.
Wait lang. Hintayin natin si Kuya. Kinikilig. Matanda si Kuya. Ha? Sabi ni Kuya, ha?
Haha ka dyan.
Ayan na. Nandiyan na siya.
Ay, buti na. Pa-join natin yung mga ibang tao.
No, bad sila.
Why?
Diba?
Why? Oh! Nahulog si Kuya Ben.
Where?
Dito, napahulog ko siya na yun. Nag-stand up na siya.
Come here. Dito tayo.
Di ako maka-stand up.
Ano pa kayo? Dito ka.
Be! Ano kalbo? Be, ikaw din. Be, ikaw din naman ah. Be, wala ka bang bibig? Kamukha kaming itsura. Di ako makaupo. Do you know my name now? Kuya's calling you. He said, Tina. What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? Kuya Ben, Kuya Ben. Pangit. Pangit, Kuya Ben.
Oo.
Joke lang.
Pina, sit down ka lang.
Hindi ako makasit down
Pina,
na, Ben.
sit down ka lang, Pina. Don't jump.
Charlie, Charlie, are you there?
Baliw, hindi to Charlie, peta.
Charlie, Charlie, are you
Shut
there?
up.
Girl.
Shut up mo ka lang.
Di ang tagahan.
Sabihin mo, start na ni Kuya.
Start mo na, kuya. Tagal. Tagal po eh. Kanina na po ako naghihintay.
Ayaw niyo daw.
Sige na. Napakatungod eh.
Uy,
Sinabi ko, Please pa, Kuya Ben.
start mo na.
Good.
Ay, Pina, there's no... Wait. Pina, jump mo na.
Why?
Yay!
Yay!
Shut up na. I'll turn off the aircon na.
Eh. Yeah, dali.
Shut up. Okay na, go to the other room.
Shasha. Check ako ah. Ayun, may coin. Bakit? May bakit? Oh! Ano ginagawa mo? Kadiri!
No, I'm just looking at this, head ko. Oh, diba, look. Look. Pina, look. Why are you laughing? Pina!
Bala kayo. Hello?
Pina, stop hiding na. Get out. Pina, get out. Get out. You help naman, you get out.
Okay. Tag dito,
You
ano?
want light?
Right?
Come here. Mom?
Ano? Ano ito? Ate, magtutago mo ako, ha?
No. Come here. You help.
tayo magtatago mamaya ah.
Pina, ba't ka tumatawa ka? Get out. Get out. Ay, pwede yun.
Ito na be oh.
Pina, you're still hiding. God.
Yes. Diba? Bay, huwag kang tumago dyan.
I'm hiding.
Just hiding. Ate, nahanap ko yung room. Your favorite.
Where are you?
Nandito sa isang room.
Where?
Dito.
Did you go here?
Yeah.
Look at the hole.
Yeah.
Look at the hole.
Wait, dito ko na.
Look at the hole. You avoid her. You click this when you see something. Pina, you watch it again.
What? Watch it again. Watch-itin kita. Iwa-watch kita.
Scary.
Nakita namin yung circle at biglang
English.
may nagganito.
English. Pina, English. Speak English.
Kikitain ko. Kikita ko ulit. Go away. Halika dito. Guys, halika. Halika kayo dito, babe.
Quiet, Pina.
Halika dito. Kuya Ben.
Doing it.
Halika nandito.
Doing it. It's gone na, Pina. You cannot do that anymore. Wow. Nag-toothbrush ako 3 beses. Ikaw?
3.
Uy, totoo ba? Sabihin na, I'm covered. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
May umutot.
Yuck! Pinakadiri ka talaga.
Hindi ako yun. Hindi ako yun. Baka si Marco.
mo. Uy, open mo. It's the doll.
Yes!
Marco, don't do that. Don't do it. Marco.
Let's do it. Let's find it. Ano ba? Gusto mo naman pumatay.
Pina, don't wag mo si Pine. Ikaw din, Marco, we told you to stop, diba? Hindi ko na i-download yung game mo. Sige.
Ate, I'm 600.
Yeah, I'm not gonna download it for being bad. Stop doing it.
Look, ate, I'm 600.
Uy, I got it down.
Where is it?
Wala na, meron na scare. Oh, diba? No jump scare. No jump scare. Hold it. That's where you're gonna hide. Oh, here. Hide here also. Ay, yes, hide here. The other side. So cute. Sina. Exit. Why? Bless you.
Wala siya na yung jump scares.
Come here. Wala nga jump scare yan.
Ito, dito.
Here. Sina, wala nga jump scare. Come here. Marco, stop
You're
it
gonna
na
fart.
nga.
You're gonna fart.
Marco, stop it. Pino ko ko. Marco, move there or else ha. You want me to delete the apps that I made you download? I'm gonna delete your Roblox. Sige.
Yeah, okay.
Mark, Pina, shut up.
Dito siya. Ay, may nahanap akong isang doll, oh.
Ano sandal?
Dito, oh.
Sa download.
Uy! Wait po!
If you don't want it, then you look there. Your feet. Your everything partner. Stop it, ha.
Nakajump Ito na ulit. Jump scares.
Okay?
Hindi.
Hindi naman ganun pronunciation ng Pina. Jump scare.
Sana may jump scare ako ulit.
Pina, there's a doll. You got 5 dolls. 5? Apat lang to eh.
Oo, ano? Apat pa. Hindi naman apat na.
Come here, Pina.
May yellow, oh.
Pina, wala ka ng tulong. Help.
Nasaan kayo?
Let's go, Pina.
Where are you?
Down here.
Oh, down. Ate, kaso wag mo ko iwan, no?
Kita iniiwan ko yung gamit ng pala. Pina yun sa Pina.
kakaya dyan.
Come here. We're just gonna go to the Dollar City.
Nasaan din yung sana mag-jump scares ulit.
Pina, come here na. You get out of there. Yellow, white, black.
Yellow, white, black, purple.
Yellow, white, black, purple. Root of He's alive na.
You're alive na. Yay! Do you see the door still? Not still?
Wala nang dolphin.
Nanonood pa rin ako.
Pina, you're hiding again. Get out. Get out, you have. Pina, you open the cabinet. Is there a light? Ew! Stop it! It's over there! It's disappeared. Stop it. Stop it. Or else I'm gonna ban you from Roblox. Yeah, I can ban you.
Don't touch my things. Or else.
You're not quiet.
Ate, may may number.
Number?
3, ay hindi,
Baliw. 2 yan.
3, 9, 1, 2.
Very good. Mali. Correct. Pina, I have a place.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I got the plate too.
Possible food. Pina, tumulong ka nga. Kick ka namin.
E di nasan kayo? Kung saan nila. Ano? Nasan kayo? May lista. 7, 6, 2, 7, 5.
Ilang araw mo na. Oh, naligo ka nga. Ayun na. Pina, let's go na.
He kill you? I kill you.
Pina, get out! Ayusin ko. I will burn the picture.
Why?
Rope not tightened. Pina, we need a rope.
Ate, wait. Kailangan ko siya.
Open the shelf. What's this DVD?
Ate, nandyan mo si Peta Peta.
Wala pa talaga. OE. Oh my god. Stop it. Marco, stop it. Marco, take that off of your butt. It's disgusting. 1, 2. Not gonna make you sick.
Iditulfo.
Look, Pina, look.
What?
Guys, it's 3 a.m.
God. Oh my god.
Marco, don't
Pina, look.
What? What's wrong? Yes! I like that. What's wrong?
Oh my god. No. Oh my god!
Ba't may blue dito, ate? May mga blue. Ate, ba't may blue?
Blue.
Ate,
Oh, that's the orange.
Ala? Elor. Ate, ito, oh, pindutin mo ulit. Ito. Ate, pindutin mo. Pindutin mo na. Ate, pindutin mo.
Pinalo.
What?
Show your legs. Pina. Show your legs.
Anong kamukha mo?
Anong face ni Kuya? Okay, wait. Oh. Kuya will show you. You tell him, dali.
Kanya ano? Can you ano?
Show your face.
Yeah. Can you show your face?
Huwag ka nga nag-ano ng laway, kadiri. Stop doing that. Di ka papagtawanan ni Kuya. Pina!
Five.
Stop. Ay, bala ka dyan, ah. Bala ka dyan. Bala ka dyan.
Yeah.
Hey, stop! Ew, stinky! Yak, ang baho!
Okay. Sige.
Oh, baby ka daw, eh.
Hello.
Sina, put your feet there lang. Dili, put your feet there lang. Wet. Dirty. Ew. Pina, look. Pina, look. See this? See this? Pretend to eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, again. Say ah. Ganon. Yummy. Oh, again. Last one. Say ah. Say ah. Ew.
Kainis na kayo.
Stop kicking me, ha? Ew. Sabihin ko talaga. Ew. Marco. No. Marco, no. You're so bad, Tina.
Be, oo ka dyan. Be, oo ka talaga.
Apple! A fountain!
Ah!
Ew! My God!
Ah! Ay, you're hurting me? Ew!
Go, Bobby!
Yuck, ang stinky na. Clean your iPad. Ew! Sige, sige. Sino may ipis? Ay, Ito talaga. Cover pa, cover pa. Cover pa, Fina. Cover pa. Stop it, don't throw it. Ha. Give it to me. Give it to me, akin na yan. Give it to me. Give it to me. Ew! Ikaw. Marco, can you put on the trash can? Wait, last one. Put it on the trash can. Eh, don't sipa kuya. Ayan, lagot ka. Don't sipa kuya.
Sapuan kita doon.
Don't sipa kuya, that's bad.
I think I know what the trash is.
Eh, Fina. Marco, the trash is over there. I think.
Oh, okay.
Marco!
Marco, you put it under trash na ha, or else.
Okay.
Not funny.
Isa! Marco! You put it under trash na, or else I won't download it.
Itong pangit ko eh.
Eh, don't sipa kuya, don't sipa. Don't sipa kuya. Marco, wag mo na ano eh. Don't sipa kuya nga. Don't sipa kuya. Don't sipa kuya. Cover your TV.
Oh, don't do there.
Marco. Dito ka lang, Pina. Dito ka lang. Matulog na. Ew. Pina. Oh my God.
Monkey.
Bala kayo dyan, ah.
Ate, oh! Ate, oh! Ate, oh!
Sige. Yung hihiga, walang ice cream, ah. 1. Very good. Pina, no ice cream. Put your feet here. Pina. Cover your... Marco, you go there na. Go there. Ouchie. Ouchie. Tutulanan niyo ko. Tutulanan ko, Pina.